How to download Mixy Music Mashup application on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Mixy Music Mashup application on iPhone. So let's get started. So it's an easy process. So first thing, just open up your app store on your iPhone device and make sure you are logged into your account. And now simply search. Click on the search bar at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside your search bar at the top, simply search in for the Mixy Mashup application. As you can see, it will appear automatically, so I'll simply search in for that. So once you're inside here, you can see there is a second option, that is second application, which is the official application, that is Mixy Make Mashups. So it is the application which is used to make a mashup between beats and vocals and all of the different songs available on your library on your iPhone. So to download and install it, you can just tap on this get button over here, just like this. Once you enter your password for verification, you can simply wait for a few seconds. Depending upon your internet connection, it will automatically download and install on your device, just like that. So once it's get downloaded, you can just tap on this open button to successfully open the application, and you can easily continue or sign in with your Apple account or Google accounts. So once you sign in, you can easily start making mashups of your songs, just like that.
And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.